Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the garage and I'm doing some work on the FT101, my HF hybrid type transceiver, and although I've changed the regulator in the power board from this IC to a 7806, I noticed when it was quiet there was a small buzz coming from the speaker on the audio side, and checking through the circuit, and it's possible that what caused the regulator to fail is the smoothing capacitors. So what I'm doing, I've ordered some new capacitors. I'm going to change the ones associated with the 12 volt line and also the 6 volt line. So I'll need to remove the capacitors. I've removed two already, and so that's the first thing. And I'd like to show you this. I purchased this soldering gun from a car boot sale. It was a kit with two soldering irons, solder sucker, one of these things, not that one, and a stand and a third hand and all sorts of bits and pieces, and very pleased with that. And we removed two capacitors already, which were these two, and these are 1000 at 16 and these are 1000 at 25, and you can see the difference in technology in terms of capacitors. And these are 105 degree C ones, low ESR, I believe, yeah, 105. So they're going to go into the board, and I'm going to change the other two capacitors as well, and that'll be 5 in all actually. So which ones I've replaced? That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, and then of course I've changed the regulator there, and they are on the circuit diagram C13 and 14, 13 and 14, 11 and 12, C16, and there's another one, I can find it in a moment. All the ones basically around this chip. Yep, that's the output. Yeah, that one. Yep, they're all been changed. Right, the board's back in. Switch on. Alright, put the calibrator on. Do that seems okay. Back together. A lot of interference on the band. Listen. I think it's alright. The band's very noisy.
Hotel America, Radio Whiskey 1 folks, you're 509 into St. Petersburg. The operator's name is Sergey. Keep yourself. QSL leads, thank you very much for the QSL. 73 is good luck, bye-bye. Pushing Nancy for Lima Delta Sugar, hello, you're 509. 73, who is it, Lima November? 27 Lima, Lima Nancy, thanks, you're 509 plus, name is Sergey, over. Roger that, thanks, and have a good afternoon, Radio Whiskey 1 Florida. Thank you to Victor Papa Bravo. Hello, you're 509. Thanks a lot, 73, have a good day, Radio Whiskey 1 Florida. You're 1 Whiskey Papa Healing, good evening, you're 509.
Oh well, I'm quite pleased with that. All seems to be working again.